Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an American steakhouse. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple and the restaurant staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How do some chefs check a steak without a thermometer? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, look at this place. It looks really nice.
It does. This is such a special day for us.
It really is, Ellie. 2 years together already.
I know. It feels so fast.
I booked a table for 7 o'clock. Let's go check in.
Okay, I am really hungry.
Me too. I did not eat much today.
We are here at the right time then.
The host is asking us something. Booth or table?
Let me think. I love booths. They feel warm and comfortable.
A booth sounds good to me too.
Great, let's ask for a booth.
This place is bigger than I thought.
Look at the lights. They are so warm and soft.
Yeah, it feels special. Perfect for tonight.
I love the smell in here. It smells like grilled meat.
That is making me even more hungry.
Same here. I cannot wait to order.
Here is our booth. Let's sit down.
This seat is so comfortable.
I'm glad we picked a booth.
Me too. I feel like I could sit here for hours.
Here are the menus. Let's take a look.
There are so many kinds of steak.
Yeah, this place has a big menu.
I do not know what to choose yet.
Take your time. We have all night.
Thank you. I'm so happy we're here.
Me too. This is going to be a great night.
Should we order some water first?
Good idea. I'm pretty thirsty already.
I think I'll get water with lemon.
That sounds nice. I'll have the same.
Do you know what you want to order yet?
Not yet. I'm still looking at the steak options.
There are so many kinds. I feel a little lost.
Don't worry. The server will help us choose.
That's true. I feel better already.
I'm glad we came here tonight, just the two of us.
Me too. It's been a busy month for both of us.
Yeah, it feels good to slow down for once.
This is exactly the kind of night we needed.
Hi, my name is Zoe. I will be your server tonight.
Nice to meet you, Zoe. We are ready to order.
Great. What would you like tonight?
We would like to share one big steak tonight.
Great choice. I will bring 2 plates so you can share it.
Perfect, thank you.
How would you like your steak cooked?
What are the options?
We have rare, medium, and well done.
What is the difference between them?
Rare is very red and soft inside. It is cooked for a short time.
Okay, and medium rare?
Medium rare is red in the middle but a little warmer.
I see. What about medium?
Medium is pink in the middle. It is a popular choice.
And well done?
Well done has no pink at all. It is fully cooked.
I think I will try medium rare.
Perfect choice. Many people like that one.
Thank you for explaining it so clearly.
No problem at all. It is my job to help.
Can I ask something? How do you know it is ready?
We use a small thermometer inside the kitchen. That is how we check for sure.
Oh, that makes sense.
But the chefs also have a fun trick. They press the steak to feel how firm it is.
Really? They press it?
Yes, it gives them a quick idea, but we still use the thermometer to be safe.
Now I am really curious.
I will bring your order to the kitchen now.
Thank you, Zoe. We will wait here.
You are welcome. I will be back soon.
Wait, one more question. Is medium rare a good choice for my first steak here?
Yes, it is a very popular choice for first-time guests.
Good. I want something juicy, but not too raw.
Medium rare is a nice middle option. It is warm and juicy.
Perfect. I will stay with that choice.
Great. Would you like any sauce with your steak?
What sauces do you have?
We have mushroom sauce, pepper sauce, and garlic butter.
The mushroom sauce sounds really good.
Good choice. I will add that to your order.
Thank you for all your help tonight.
It is my pleasure. Your food will be ready soon.
I wonder how long the food will take.
Maybe 15 or 20 minutes?
This bread is so good. Can I have another piece?
Of course. Take as much as you want.
Oh, look, they already brought more bread.
Wow, that was fast. We did not even ask.
They just brought more without asking.
Yeah, that happens a lot here.
In my country, we usually have to ask first.
Here, they often bring more bread when the basket is empty.
That is so nice. I like that a lot.
Yeah, it makes you feel welcome.
This butter is really soft and sweet.
It goes perfectly with the warm bread.
I could eat this all night.
Save some room for the steak.
You are right. I need to be careful.
So, tell me about your day today.
It was busy, but a good kind of busy.
What made it busy?
I had 3 meetings and a lot of emails.
That sounds tiring.
A little bit, but I'm happy now.
I'm glad we could relax here tonight.
Me too. This is exactly what I needed.
This restaurant has such a nice feeling to it.
I agree. I feel so relaxed here.
This is a great start to the night.
What time is it now? I did not check.
It is about 7:30. We've been here 30 minutes.
It feels shorter than that. Time is going fast tonight.
Yeah, good company makes the time fly.
That is true. I'm really enjoying myself.
Do you smell that? I think our steak is close.
Oh yes, that smells amazing from the kitchen.
I can't wait to see how it looks.
Me neither. It makes me very hungry.
Let's finish this last piece of bread while we wait.
Good idea. We should save room, but just one more bite.
Hi, I am Leo. I have your side dishes.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much.
Here is a fresh salad and some mashed potatoes.
This all looks so good.
And here is a small piece of herb butter for later.
What is that for?
It goes on top of the steak when it arrives.
Is it just for decoration?
It's not just decoration. It makes the steak taste better.
Oh, I did not know that.
Steak can be a little dry after it is cooked at a high heat.
I see. So the butter helps with that?
Yes, it melts on the hot steak and makes it more juicy.
That is really interesting.
There are some herbs in it too, for a nice smell and flavor.
That sounds delicious.
Most people love it once they try it.
I cannot wait to try it myself.
The salad has a light dressing. I hope you enjoy it.
It looks fresh and colorful.
We get the vegetables every morning.
That explains why it tastes so good.
Thank you. Your steak should be ready very soon.
Perfect timing. I'm getting hungry.
I will check on it in the kitchen now.
Thank you, Leo. You have been very helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy your dinner.
I will. Thank you again.
One more thing before I go. Would you like some black pepper on the potatoes?
Yes, please. That sounds great.
Here you go. Fresh pepper always tastes better.
I agree. It smells wonderful too.
The mashed potatoes are made fresh here every day.
That explains the great taste. They are so smooth.
We use real butter and a little cream in them.
No wonder they taste so rich.
I'm happy you like them so much.
This whole meal is turning out perfect.
That makes me very happy to hear. Enjoy the rest of your dinner.
Wow, here comes our steak.
It looks amazing. Look at that color.
The butter is melting right on top.
Yeah, that smells amazing.
Should we eat it right away?
Wait, let's let it rest for a few minutes first.
Why do we need to wait?
If we cut it now, the juice will run out. Then the meat gets dry.
Oh, that makes sense now.
That is why Zoe told us it needs to rest a little.
I remember she said something about that.
Yeah, and it also reminds me of what she said before.
What do you mean?
She said chefs press the steak to check how firm it is.
Oh, right. I remember that too.
I think I know how it might work.
Really? Can you show me?
Okay, watch this. You touch your thumb and your first finger together.
Like this?
Yes, exactly. Now feel the soft part of your hand right under your thumb.
It feels soft.
That soft feeling is close to rare steak.
Interesting. What happens with the other fingers?
I think each finger makes it a little firmer.
So more fingers means more cooked?
I believe so. It is just a quick guess, though, not an exact answer.
This is so cool. I want to learn more about it.
Me too. Let's ask more about it before we leave tonight.
Good idea. Now let's finally eat this steak.
Yes, let's enjoy it while it is warm.
How was everything tonight?
It was wonderful. The steak was perfect.
I am so glad to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please. Something sweet sounds nice.
We have chocolate cake, apple pie, and ice cream.
The chocolate cake sounds amazing. Can we share one?
Of course. I will bring one cake with 2 spoons.
Perfect. Thank you.
Here you go. Enjoy.
This cake is so rich and delicious.
It is one of our most popular desserts.
I can understand why.
Would you like anything else tonight?
No, I think we are ready for the check, please.
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Oh, we have some steak left over.
Would you like a box for that?
Is that okay? I feel a little shy to ask.
Do not worry at all. Taking food home is very normal here.
Oh, that makes me feel better.
Many guests take food home after dinner here.
I did not know that was so common.
Yes, we just call it a box. Many people ask for one.
That is good to know for next time, too.
I will bring a box right now.
Thank you so much, Leo.
You are very welcome. I hope you had a great night.
We really did. Everything was wonderful.
I am happy to hear that. Have a good night.
That was such a great dinner.
I agree. Everything was delicious tonight.
The steak was cooked just right, too.
Yeah, medium rare was a great choice.
I keep thinking about what Zoe said earlier.
About the chefs checking it by hand?
Yes, so the chef really checks it by hand.
I think so. It is a simple trick that many chefs use.
I remember trying that at the table.
Right. The feeling changes a little each time. It gets firmer.
And that firmness is like the steak.
Exactly. Soft is close to rare. Firm is close to well done.
That is such a clever idea.
It means chefs do not always need a thermometer.
I want to try it again at home sometime.
We can practice together in the kitchen.
I would like that. It was a fun thing to learn tonight.
This whole dinner was full of little surprises.
The bread, the butter, the box of food, all of it.
And now we understand the hand trick, too.
I will remember this dinner for a long time.
Me too. This was such a special day, Ellie.
It really was, David. Thank you for tonight.
Thank you for 2 wonderful years together.
Here's to many more happy years together.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How do some chefs check a steak without a thermometer? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comment section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.